In this video, I will show you how you can fix if visual intelligence is not working on your iPhone. Now, there are some requirements for visual intelligence to work. The first requirement is that you must have at least an iPhone 16 or later. And the second requirement is that your iPhone must run on iOS 18.2 or later. Now, after you check both of these requirements, after that, just make sure that visual intelligence is enabled on your iPhone. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and you will find the option for Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now just tap on it, and from here, just enable Apple Intelligence. After you enable Apple Intelligence, then just scroll down, and under Extensions, just tap on ChatGPT. If the option for ChatGPT is grayed out, just wait for a couple of seconds because Apple Intelligence might be downloading some files in the background, and this is why the ChatGPT option is grayed out. Once the ChatGPT option is not grayed out, just tap on ChatGPT and then tap on Setup. Then tap on Next and select Enable ChatGPT. After you enable ChatGPT, then just press and hold the camera button on your iPhone. And after you do that, you will enable Visual Intelligence on your iPhone. Now, when you enable Visual Intelligence, you will find the option for Search and Ask. But if you enable the camera app, it will open the camera preview on your iPhone. So make sure you press and hold the camera button to enable Visual Intelligence. Now, if you're trying to enable Visual Intelligence on your iPhone, but if it keeps showing you errors on the screen, like Google is not available, or if it shows you any other error, there are two main solutions for that problem. The first error is that when you try to enable Visual Intelligence on your iPhone, it might show a text on the screen which might say downloading files or something like that. Now, if it shows you this error, just leave your iPhone connected to the internet for almost 20 to 30 minutes. During that time, your iPhone will be downloading required files to enable Visual Intelligence. So just keep your iPhone connected to the internet for a couple of minutes. Now, this was the solution if it shows you downloading files. But if you're trying to enable Apple Intelligence, but if it simply won't open, then just check if you have selected any of the supported languages or not. If your iPhone is running on iOS 18.2, then Visual Intelligence will work if your iPhone's language is set on English. But after the recent iOS 26 update, the supported languages has been increased, and the supported languages now include Chinese, Dutch, Danish, French, German, Italian, Norwegian, Portuguese, Spanish, Swedish, Turkish, and Vietnamese. But if you select any other language other than the listed languages, then Visual Intelligence will simply not work. Now, to be in the safe side, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Now, from here, just make sure you set the language of your iPhone to English United States. Now just tap on Add Language and select English US. After that, just tap on Region and make sure you set the region to United States. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. From here, just tap on Language and set the language to English United States. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just tap on Update and update the software of your iPhone. And once the software update process is completed, then after that, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And after you do that, you will fix the Visual Intelligence not working issue on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.